Welcome back. This is Safare the Thousandaire. Just in Vegas, just showing one of my areas, one of the lakes in my area. Just posting a video on breaking down my 2018 goals. Basically what I do is every day, I basically have a board and I just update it every day. But it has my weekly, monthly, yearly, and also the daily goals. I have a couple of boards. I have one in my car and I also have one in my home. And I pretty much update them. They're pretty much the same thing. I just like to have multiple so I can like keep on track. We can go from there. We'll just start. Quick video, nothing too crazy. You see we got the daily, we got YouTube footage. So basically every day I try to go ahead and just get more information on YouTube and get ready and prep for the next video. That's something I do daily. I mark that off as I go. I've been pretty consistent with it. Just basically just to build everything. Next one is post next video. It relates to the first one. ClickBank ads. Basically, I run ads through ClickBank. And what I do is it's basically affiliate marketing. That's basically what my channel is about. Just knowing the journey and just starting, not really from the beginning because I've already made a couple $1,000s in the past 30 days on doing this, but this is, pretty much from the beginning. Let's do next one is prepare next video. I try to do, post a video and have the next video ready in case something happens. I go on vacation or I just don't feel like posting for that day. So I try to knock out 2 videos in a day. Next one is respond to Facebook group. Basically, everybody, that's pretty much what everyone does now to get more information. You just pretty much want to give back to a community. So all my Facebook groups, I try to stay active and posting there pretty consistently. Just one of those things where I feel like if you give out information, you'll be easier to be able to receive that information or new information. Yep, those are my daily goals. So those get, crossed out, marked out, added daily. Go to the next one, weekly. These will be quickly. These will go quickly rather because these are all pretty much related. Post 2 YouTube videos. It's pretty simple. Just post 2 videos a week at least. Research, just do more information and get more information and more research on whatever I'm trying to cover. Everything is going to be pretty much things that I've already done in life or things that I'm doing. So just basically, staying current and just, studying pretty much. Should have changed that to studying. Learn editing. You can see the first couple of videos that I posted, I haven't done much editing. It's been all just straight from the hip, just a constant shot. I just want to enhance everything. I know even if you give out the best information, my video stopped, but I know even if you give out the best information, if it's not visually attractive, people won't be able to comprehend and stay focused and, do exactly what you're, trying to help with. So yeah, editing, money order, pretty much just from all my courses that I want to buy. I want to put everything into a money order, just so I know exactly what I'm doing and saving and, just use that, which is another form of saving. I don't want to just keep money in the bank because I have multiple accounts and, that gets crazy. And money order is just a way to just have cash, but not really have all the risk. If somebody comes in and I get stolen or, I lose it or I spend it when I don't really mean to, it's just an easy way to just keep your finances in order. Start ad $5 a day. I saw another ClickBank ad that I wanted to promote. Just start a quick promotion on it, quick $5 ad, see where it goes and go from there. I have more videos later on to really describe the process of what I've been doing and how I do it. Once again, this is just a lake by my house. I'm in Las Vegas. I guess you can see some ducks and stuff walking around. I think I have food or something, but I really don't. Just here, quick video. It's pretty early, New Year's Eve, or actually New Year's Day. So yeah, just trying to do something new. Those are my weekly. Let's go to my monthly. Monthly, post 10 YouTube videos, pretty simple. 1K in revenue. I'm starting a new income stream and I just want to be able to get it to basically 1K a week. Or is that 1K a week or 1K a month? This is my monthly, so 1K a month. So it's not that much. It's just something new. Just want to start it out. It's pretty passive. I have later videos on exactly what it is, but it's just something new that I'm trying out. I want to work on appearance. This all goes to the video, editing, the area that I'm in. Next one is research BL, which is business license. Currently, I don't have a business license. This is all just like a side thing, because I do have a regular job. I make over, you know, 100K a year with everything that I do. So it's getting to that point where it's like, you know, I need to get everything in order and do everything professionally, just in case, you know, taxes or anything crazy happens. I just want to be covered. So I just want to get that business license going. I don't really know if it's needed or not, but I'm definitely looking into that. I don't have really many subs now, but I want to get to 100 YouTube subs. This one. Just grow from there. Approve AdSense. I need to get to 10,000 views. You guys know that. I want to be able to post ads just so I can see how it works, and I want to be able to create videos on income and CPM and pretty much how all that works and how you can monetize, different ways you can monetize, and you know, different things like that. So I do want to get that just for an extra area to do research on. Call text line. I already have that up. I already got that established. Right now it's just text, but you guys can text me anytime. It's just a way to stay connected. The number is area code 702-550-7607. Once again, 702-550-7607. I'll put a link in the description. Well, not a link, I guess the number in the description, so you guys can always text me. I like to, you know, engage and get more information from everybody. We can all learn together. Doesn't matter what stage you're on. You're probably later on than me, but, you know, I do have a lot of knowledge on different things, so we can definitely you know, do something there and work together and grow. Next one is Facebook group. I do want to start a Facebook group just about, you know, the same things that I'm talking about during YouTube and on my YouTube videos. Just another way to stay connected to everyone. I want to be able to respond immediately if somebody has a question or concern or a situation. If I can answer, I want to be able to put it in front of people who can. So it's definitely something that I want to work on. Maybe in future videos I'll have that, you know, up and going, and I'll put a link in the description. But as of right now, it's just a hope. It's just a, you know, goal in January. It's not really a goal. It's I guess it's a to-do thing. But yeah, we'll go from there. All right, let's do next one. Next one is computer purchase. I do want to buy a Mac. I have an older one now and a PC. I just want to get something newer. So in January, I will go out and be purchasing one of those computers just to have more videos at home. Right now, I don't do many videos at home or in front of my computer screen, but I do want to get to that point. Right now, I just feel like I have so much information that I can do outside of the computer that I'd rather just do it there until I get, you know, to the point where I just need to show you guys things to keep the videos entertaining. But as of right now, it's all right, you know, but that is one of my goals. Those are all my monthly goals. Those really don't change. I just knock those out and cross them out as I go. Haven't really done or crossed out any yet because today is the 1st, but definitely in a week, I'll probably have 1K in revenue, research done, post 10 videos, probably won't have 100 YouTube subs, but it's whatever. We'll go from there as we go. Let's see, what's the next? Let's go to the 2018 goals. These are my, basically the goals for the whole year. Let me go back, let me switch hands. These are my goals for the whole year. So these are gonna be a little bit more, I guess, you know, far out, but it's a collection of all the months, you know, that create the year. So yeah, we'll go from there. 10K a month profit. I'm not there yet. Maybe like halfway there if you actually include profit. I do got close to that in revenue per month, but it's not profit. I want to be able to bank a certain amount, so I need 10K profit. 3K a month passive income. It's pretty simple. Just want to be able to have, you know, 3,000 coming in, almost in a way where I don't have to worry about it. I don't know if whether it's YouTube ads or if it's a blog or anything, you know, it's pretty much work. The whole thing, the whole goal is to have passive income, but I want to be able to just see 3,000 coming in by the end of the year. 20,000 YouTube subs. I'm going to post 10 videos a day. So hopefully I get there 2 videos a week, daily, post a video. So hopefully with all those videos, I you know, they don't really match up or whatever, but hopefully by the time I, you know, get to the point where it's close to the year, you know, I have something close to that. Purchase a $50,000 car for an additional expense. It's not something that I really need, but it's something that I want. 6 Series BMW. Doesn't have to be brand new. I have a car now that I just recently bought, but I want a convertible. So, you know, 6 Series BMW, $50,000 car. I want to just be able to buy it. And when I say buy it, I don't mean finance it. I could do that now, but I want to actually buy it. Go in and buy it. Cash. Well, you know, credit, whatever. 750 credit score. Pretty simple. Right now I'm in the 600s. Needs to get to 750. Save 20,000 down payment for a house. I have some saved up now. I need another 20,000 to really be able to put down a down payment that I'm confident in, and I'm happy with. So, you know, just basically save up another 20,000. Facebook meetup group. It's pretty simple. Meetup group. You know, it corresponds with the Facebook group that I'm going to create, but it's probably going to be another section of the group just so, you know, everybody can meet up. Create a course. You know, it's pretty simple. Everybody wants to create a course. I want to have one that's a little different, a little bit more real. Like I said, I don't do much editing. I just talk from experience, and you know, that's kind of how you can see and really tell if someone knows what they're talking about, because it's just going from the hip. It's not something that they've done research and edit and, you know, different things with video magic. It's all just coming out for me. Hire a paid employee. It's pretty simple. Just have someone that I can help out with, whether it's editing, thumbnails, research, anything like that. 3 Amazon products. I do want to get into Amazon FBA. I haven't done anything yet. I'll have another video about exactly what that is if you guys do not know, but it's Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. It's basically you get products from overseas, you ship them into Amazon, you create your listing, and you run traffic to your listing. And when someone purchases your product, Amazon, you know, accepts the payment. They do all the shipping, they do all the returns, you know, and there's a price to it. They take a percentage and a flat rate. But basically, you're just providing people, you're selling products online through Amazon. But it's pretty passive. That's the dope thing about it. Once you get started and ranked and all that stuff, you're pretty more podcasts. Yeah, just a place where people can call in and, you know, we can all communicate. But yeah, this is these are all my goals. 18 monthly, weekly, daily goals. This is Safare the Thousandaire, and please like and subscribe. Oh yeah, one other thing that I forgot. This whiteboard, the one that I actually use, I bought it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description with exactly which one it is. It's pretty cool. It fits in the car, no problem. I also bought one of those dry eraser sets. I'll link that as well, affiliate link. But yeah, I'll put that all in the description just so, you know, just in case you guys want it. It's pretty cool. I can hold it with one hand, but it's large enough where you can see, you can mark down multiple items. I have a larger one at home, but this is just the mobile one. This is the one I just take with me on the go. But yeah, like I said, this is Safare the Thousandaire. Please like, subscribe. I'm going to also have monthly giveaways. Once I reach 25 subs, I'm going to be giving out Amazon cards. I also have a text line. Like I said, the phone number is 702-550-7607. Text me anytime. We can, you know, talk, chat. You can't really call, but you can text it, unlimited, and I'll respond pretty quickly. It's, it goes just, you know, to my cell phone. I always have it with me. But yeah, there we go. Please subscribe, like, share it if you want. I don't really, you know, really matter. I'm kind of still shy with this camera thing. That's really why I'm not showing my face. But, you know, once I get some people, you know, to engage and go from there, then, you know, everything will change. But yeah, this is just the beginning. This is just a journey. And yeah, have a good one. Happy New Year. See you guys later.